Hello everybody, welcome to Eisfilm channel. And today we are going to unbox one of the most exciting products for this year. DJI has released two different models, and today actually we got them both. So we are starting with the RSC2. What we got is a Pro combo. Here we need to say special thanks to DJI Singapore. If you are in Singapore or Southeast Asia and you are interested in joining the community, they do have this Telegram as well as Facebook group. So you are most welcome to join. It's always the most happy time to cut the box. Okay. Oh, nice. This is the handbag. So basically, straight out of the box, you got this quite nice looking handbag. So here are all the accessories, extra spare parts with the Allen key. And here is the transmitter. Wow, this is handy. At the other side, we got the plate for smaller camera with a bigger lens. Okay, so for follow focus. Here is the plate. Then comes this is the connecting part. I do like this design of the bag because they have all the small pouches. So you can put every single small parts separately. This follow focusing motor is really small. Okay, and here is the handle. So all the accessories on the upper part. Then is the second layer. Cable. I'm not sure how many cables are there, but basically they are USB-C and USB Type A. These are the cables. More cables. Yeah, so these cables are for this transmitter. Now, this is the main part. So basically, when you just get this RSC2 out of the box, it's not locked at all, and all the parts are moving. As we can see, this time, the DJI comes out with a very new design. You need to use a little bit force to turn it like this until all the parts are connected properly. Then you turn the knob to the lock position. Okay, so by right it should be something like this. If you want to hold the gimbal like this, so you just need to unlock here and use a little bit force to put it back. Okay, but still the motor is strong enough to hold it. As we can see, they have more ports designed here. They are designed for the camera control, the image transmitter, and the other one most likely is for the follow focus motor. And they have this very nice matte surface. So let's unbox the more exciting one. The most interesting part of this year, the RS2. So without further ado, let's do a quick unboxing. The box itself is totally black color, which makes it look more professional. Okay. So it feels like Christmas is here right now. Okay, so it's pretty much the same as the RSC2 and the similar handbag. But it's way heavier for sure. Okay, this handbag is exactly the same as the RSC2. Basically, you can't really tell what's inside if you see someone's holding this handbag. You start from the top. Oh, even the accessory is way heavier. Same thing, one transmitter, accessories. Oh, the motor is here, so it's slightly different from RSC2. Extra quick release. Okay, so here, same size handle as the RSC2. The same quick release accessory for your mobile device. And the handle, a battery, connecting rod. The RS2 got more accessories comparing to the RSC2. Okay, starting from the accessories, same thing. charging cable as well as the mini HDMI cable. And now becomes the most important part. If you can recall, just now we have the whole RSC2 taken out of the suitcase from here, right? So basically it's the same size. So for you, if size is the key consideration point, then definitely RSC2 will be a better choice. But you are someone who's professional or working in the production team all the time, then definitely the RS2 is a more heavy-duty gear for you to use. The rods are all thicker. The connecting part is protected by this rubber. These two rods are the most interesting point or the design of this product because it's real carbon fiber instead of alloy. Yeah, so for the RS2, it's pretty straightforward. You just get it out and release two quick release, then it's almost pretty much of it. And for a better protection, they even have a way bigger rubber shield here. Yeah, so I suppose I should remove this rubber as well. Oh yeah, that's where you have this RS2 symbol. Even for the bottom part, you got a rubber cover as well here. So basically you can definitely feel the difference in terms of manufacturing. I'm not saying RSC2 is not good, but the RS2 is definitely more dedicated and more well designed and manufactured. Okay, so we just put this one in. So once you put the battery in, you can use this knob to put it to the locking position. It will be quite tight. You can see this is on my right hand is the RS2 and on my left hand is the RSC2. Pretty much the same weight. And the RSC2 got the additional tilting feature. Definitely, I think RSC2 will get a more better sales performance. And for both of them, the Ronin logo is quite big. The RS2, especially on the carbon fiber rod, it got this two-sided red strap, which is quite sporty and looks more professional as well. So guys, that's pretty much of today's unboxing, and we will take 2 to 3 weeks time to use both of these, and I'll try to give you more reviews after I've been trying different cameras on both of these gimbals. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.